Hello and welcome for my videos. In this video I will show how the buttons work in the Bootstrap components. The buttons, like when you click save and update and cancel and everything, that's the button. So let's start to build the buttons. And we can manually. Family. Should we say that? Just to illustrate what we're working with. And we can say succeeds. And danger. You see you have three color when you go over them. They are changing from the hover. So you have other colors like warning, info, light, dark, secondary. Sometimes you need to, it should be a button but should look like a link. It's possible to just change it to link, and then we change the text for link. And you can see it's react like a link, but it is a button. If you go down here, it's still a button. Then if you want different types, you can just change the types, like types equal to submit. This could be reset, it could be button, and yeah, you know it. It's from the normal HTML tags. But one of the cool things is, if you don't like the normally fill out buttons, then you can just change it to say outline primary, and if you add outline between the BTN and succeeds, then you get the outline. So when you move the mouse over, it will be fine, filling out, but else it will be on the border. It's very nice. You can change the sizes on it. We can say this button should be large, and we don't need people to click on this, so we want to have a small button here. So you can see, whoops, SM. Go this, yeah, small, large, normal, and a link. In some cases, you need the button to fill out the box. It could be like lose password or something like that. So let's say we have a DO in the, let's call it 4. Headlines sign up and BE. Let's try to build it like this. Yeah, you can see it's only filled out here, but we need it, so I'll remove the background color again, so it's not confusing. And remove the background color again. Whoops. Yes. And we work with it. So let's say, hello world, did you want to sign up a profile? Just to have some funny text here. And then we build a button. It should be button family, and then BTN block. Block mean you fill out everything, and we want this should be a big button. So let's make it this way. Sign up now, and we're not cancel sign. We don't want people to cancel their sign up, so this button should be a little bit smaller. So you can see the sign up button here and the cancel button here, and it's filling out the all one. And Bootstrap working on a tall grid system. Sorry. So this is the 4 grids we have here. You can use the buttons. If we go down here, if we have a link, yeah, we can change the same link here, because if we go to change this one and aref, yeah, it should be working out the way. What's that here? Yeah, you can see, oh, that's not working. What have I done? What have I done? Maybe that's the problem. I have not seen that before. Okay. Maybe I'm spelling default wrong. Nope. That's the normal issue for me, so call it danger. Okay, perfect. It's a spelling error, 100%. And up here we don't use it primarily here. My mistake. Sorry. We continue. And then if you need to build, oops. What have I done here? We want something like lost my password. We want info down here. And we're not yet here, so I want to disable this button. So you can click on it. You can see, you can, just because it should be button. Yeah, you can see you can click on it now. You have disabled that, and remove this one. If you have something you need, if it's a disabled button, you can disable this way, and the user can't click on it. So just for fun, add alert on click alert. You can't use this function. See, it's not react on click event, so it's totally disabled. If you want back for the A link, you can disable the link this way. And still it's disabled. If I click here, you can see the tag up here. But if I click here, it's totally disabled, so you can't click on it. And one of the nice things, you can make a group. If you have, let's say now you want to pick up what you want, like a radium box. So like a button group. We want to build this. Oops. and then we go. What should we do? What should we do? It should be 1. Just for fun. Multiply by 3, and then input radio name. Let's say work role. Let's call that. It should be ID work role 1, and then autocomplete off, checked, and DevOps. You can go down here and say front end and back end. Two and 3. Yes, that's what we want. So let's adding it. You see, it's not active yet. I think it's because I need a little bit here. I love this H tag, HR tag. Put down here, and what we want to tell them is a data draw is equal to buttons. And you can see it's changing. But we want this one to be active since number 1, and it's up here. You want to see that because we have this checked as first. So let's do this. You can see DevOps is checked, and if you want to sign up, cancel, you can do this, but you can't click on the lost password. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video about buttons in Bootstrap. You can subscribe my channel if you want more, and I hope you want to make a comment if you have any questions. Like this video if you like it, share it if you have some friends that need to learn more about Bootstrap, and I hope you want to subscribe my video. See you next time.